starting off here on the Ghost Train XXL. I've done many Ghost Trains in my time. It's the first time I've done this. It's been on my bucket list for a while. If you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's a view over the fair, very lovely. There we are. So you can see it's not a very big fair, but it's certainly worth visiting, especially with this Ghost Train. Theme in central here at the top. It's a little bit barren, but we'll let it go. We'll be over Roundhay Park there for you. It's going to be a very tight turn. Oh! It was a tight turn, I was right. So the top section you get. Again, I'm going to keep banging on about the lovely park. See, quite wobbly, but you can see the family ghost things bouncing over there in the distance. Hold on, you get travel sickness. And here we go to Ghost Train XXL. Wow! I didn't know if it was going to break there, that was a bit scary. Oh jeez. I suppose I should expect a couple of jump scares on a Ghost Train, shouldn't I? It's a bit of a given. It's a little bit loud, wow. Drop now. Hey. Smooth as butter. It's a bit quick down here, wow. Parkessent. Let's go Ghost Train XXL, what a ride.